guys, it's me, Kiana, and my best friend,
Katharina.
and today we're going to explain why we're making the cake crew.
Yeah, and first of all, we get the cake crew name by Kiana and my
And-
name Katharina. It's all K. And then our best friends some of them want to join, and then we only allowed those first letter are K. So
Yeah, because it's cake crew.
yeah, and whenever they wanna try out, we're gonna make a video for them to try out, and we will see if we will let them join or make the another tryout.
Yeah, and we decided to do this because we think that it's fun and we love dancing stuff.
Yeah, we have planned this I think 4 years ago or 3 years.
We were like just like this tall in my shoulders. We were
Yeah.
like planning like let's dance.
Yeah, but before we didn't make a video because there's no YouTube account, so
We
we was
didn't know
just
how.
down. We were just dancing, and then we didn't post it. So also my brother would like to join, but I don't know if he's gonna try out because I said he needs to try out first. So I
Yeah,
don't know.
because he loves to dance and I
Yeah.
like his dancing when he freestyles.
Yeah, freestyle. He's so good at freestyle, but he didn't try out. But when he try, if you wanna try out, we will just make a video of it. Okay?
Yeah, that's it. So
Yeah.
bye guys. Cake crew out.